All right, I'm going to get right into it. As you can see in the title, yes, this is very, very true. These primary trade lines, however, post like authorized users, but these things will be in your name as opposed to just being under the name of someone else. You're not going to get a credit card or anything like that, but it will be posted in your name directly. You can use these things for your personal credit, your business credit, no CPN. It's just as simple as that. At this moment, these trade lines are only posted to Experian, but in a matter of a month or two, Equifax and TransUnion will be posting as well. So you'll be grandfathered in if you come in before that even happens at no extra charge. Now, if you've got bad debt, that's bankruptcies, charge-offs, tax liens, anything that's holding your credit report down, I suggest you get it fixed. There's only one person that I would trust with my credit is Eric with Rapid Credit Delete. You can find him on YouTube under Rock Like What. I'll put a link in the description below. But, as I said, get your credit fixed. All right. That's going to make these things worth the money you're going to put down on them. All right. Now, we're looking at the chart. Here's the list of primaries. As you can see that you can only get one trade line per person until you establish credit with the creditor, okay? Now, in doing so, you eventually can move your way up. As you can see, there's 24 months all the way to 60 months on some of these things. And there's a down payment starting at $500 all the way to $1,500. Pretty much, this is one of the best deals I've ever seen, So if you would, give me a text and I'll be sure to get back with you. These primary trade lines and these applications are on a referral based system. So when you're filling out the application, when you see the referral tab or the referral blank space, be sure to put my name in it. Now, understand, if you do not make payments on these trade lines after signing up for the application and signing up for the deal, these things will go in default and they will destroy your credit. They will take your credit all the way down, just like any loan that you default on. Okay. So be sure you're ready for these payments. You're ready to take responsibility to build your credit up. All right. Now, as I said, make sure to put my name in the referral so they can push you forward against everyone else so you can be right on the top of the list. Until the next time, the next video, and next deal, I'm out. Peace.